morning, guys. So I wanted to show you what I have going on. We are in Leilani's room right now. So I have moved this dresser that used to be in my room into her room. She decorated her little Christmas tree. She has a little holiday countdown calendar. And then over here I have like some diapers, some books, wipes, their piggy bank. And then I bought this from the 99-cent store, and I'm storing Vaseline, baby lotion, the hand sanitizer. I still don't have the diaper rash cream. And then this sign's from Dollar Tree. It says "Believe in Magic." And I've been kind of organizing the drawers. I'm still sorting some clothes, but I want you to see what I have going on before it gets crazy again. So I decided to leave this diaper bag out because it was like her most used diaper bag when we had Leilani. This mermaid bin down here has a bunch of little plushies. These have toys, and then this is like for dirty clothes. This is Leilani's clothes. These are all hangers from Dollar Tree, and they're the pink ones. And then up there we have these bins that I got from Ross, and I tied the little string. It's like the pink string. I don't know if you can see it. And it just has hats. This one has books. And then this one has diapers, blankets, and bed linens. And I have more blankets up there and like diapers up there. And my scrapbooks for my baby girls. I added these. These are for Leilani's party. I just decided to put it there because Cisco put a TV in here for my mom when she stayed in here when she was recovering from her hand surgery. So we just decided to keep it there, and Leilani loves it. You can see my bump. I think I'm 20. I don't know, you guys. I'm like halfway through my pregnancy. One thing I have noticed with my girls is that I carry them really low. And with a boy, I feel like it's like a little ball up here. I don't know if that makes any sense. But with my baby girls, they're all like really low. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. You probably think I'm crazy. This is Leilani's Christmas tree this year with the unicorn lights. These are from Target's Dollar Spot. We got those like a few years ago. And then these are the ornaments that we got at the 99-cent store. Turn it off because I don't want the batteries to run out. I added the little "You're Magical" sign. I still need to move these shelves, but I wanted to start organizing this stuff. Okay, you guys, I am starting to label everything. These are the binder labels from Dollar Tree because I want Cisco to know where everything goes. So I've started washing clothes. Baby clothes. So this is onesies, 3 to 6 months, and then little pants. Look at how small these are, you guys. Oh my god. This was Leilani's clothes. And then this is 3 to 6 months, so a little bit bigger. And down here I just have like swaddle blankets, books, wipes, the little baggies that I showed you from Dollar Tree. Leilani puts stuff in here. It's the weirdest thing, you guys, but it's also the cutest. She'll like see something that's like little and she goes, "That's for the baby," and she'll like tuck it away. I think it's the cutest thing in the world. Okay, this one I haven't labeled yet, but it's mainly like boogie wipes, wet wipes, like hand wipes, creamy baby oil, lotion, Q-tips. I also labeled that. More Vaseline. This has little poopy bags. I have a thermometer, little scissors and nail clippers, nail files, Kleenex, bows, hats, more hats back here and here. And then these bins are the ones I showed you from 99-cent store, you guys. And I like how that looks. I think it looks really organized. So there's that drawer. And I don't think these drawers have much. I'm still working on it. So that's that. I wanted to share that with you guys. We're gonna leave this bed because it's kind of like our guest bed as well. Like when we have guests, they'll stay here. So yeah, you guys. Oh, let me show you the DIY project over here. We have the little lamp, a little picture frame, Minnie Mouse, some wipes, a candle. She got these from Dollar Tree. Little poop. I don't know what's up with her and poop, but she's like, ew, mommy, it's poop. And it's like the funniest thing ever. This table has seen better days. And then these are from 99-cent store. Let me show you the bows. Remember, I did a DIY. May all your dreams come true. And then I tied the burlap. And yes, I know, they have a lot of bows. I still need to cut the ends, but I like how it looks. Let me show you this side of the closet. I washed these. We have little sweaters for the baby. And like onesies. What are these called? Like sleepers. I'm not sure, you guys. Put a unicorn box, a little bag in here, and then we have room to grow for the baby, because I'm sure when we get more stuff we're gonna need storage. Oh, and then let me show you up here, bed linens, blankets, and more blankets. Yeah, I really like how it looks. Let me know what you guys think. Obviously, I'm still working on it. Like I've put Leilani's clothes down there because we're gonna need it. So I put them in a little storage container inside these little bags. That way when the baby grows, we'll have it handy under the bed. I'm gonna vacuum because it's a little bit messy. And I'm still sorting clothes. But for the most part, you guys, this is as clean as it's been in a while. So I'm really happy with it. Alrighty guys, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.